What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be talking about what exactly is i999 tracking and why it is a crucial step for product research. So if you've been doing product research already, I'm sure you guys have heard of i999 at some point. If not, I'm going to tell you right now. So basically what the purpose of i999 tracking is to get exact sales data for the products you're planning to private label. So I'm sure you guys have heard of Jungle Scout or Market Intelligence or some sort of extension that allows you to track the sales statistics or reviews for a certain keyword. For example, let's try typing yoga mat bag. Alright, so I'm going to use my Jungle Scout extension to see the sales statistics. Let's just say this was a product I was planning to private label, and I want to get the exact sales data for this product. See, all these sales statistics are actually estimates based on whatever complex algorithm Jungle Scout or Viral Launch use. So the only way to know the exact sales pattern for the niche is to do i999 tracking. So let's go ahead and do that. We take a look at our Jungle Scout report and we want to sort them by sales highest to lowest. And let's just say we want to track the top 3 listings. So we go ahead and add to cart for all of them. Add to cart. And you could obviously do more than 3. The more you have, the more data you have to go off of. So after you added them all to your cart, let's go back. And then we go to my cart. And then I accidentally added 2 of these apparently. So let me change that back to 1. And what you want to do is you go on one of the listings, you press 10 plus and you press 999 and then you press update. And what this gives you is the amount of inventory that this seller has currently, so 479. So what you want to do with this number is you copy this into an Excel sheet. So let's make an Excel sheet to test this. So this is going to be our name of the column and the days we're going to track it for. And then let's just do 7 days. All right, so day 1, copy that number, paste it to day 1, and then you want to copy the name of the listing. Copy, and then paste. And then I guess you guys can see what I'm going to do now. I'm going to do this for all 3 listings, but I'm not going to do it for the video's sake. So what you want to do is, let's just say 999, and then the seller is 479, and in 24 hours you want to check this again and it's going to pop up with a different number. Let's just say 450. So day 2 we're at 450, and then day 3 you check it again and it's at 420. So this right here is the exact sales data that Amazon is giving you. And sometimes it'll, the next day when you check it, the number will actually go up. And that's because Amazon's like moving inventory around or they're restocking or something like that. So you'll see numbers that, that could go up, but usually after a few days, it'll start dropping and you're going to see the exact sales pattern. At this point, after 7 days or more of your i999 tracking, you now have a data that actually represents how many units are being sold. And this is important to do because Jungle Scout estimates are not always accurate, and this is the only way to confirm the sales velocity for yourself and be sure you don't buy a bad product that isn't selling like you thought it would. But that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and if you enjoyed that video, hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Peace.